introduced the much-anticipated OnePlus Ace 2 Pro, a true embodiment of cutting-edge technology and unparalleled performance. Set to release on August 23, 2023, this smartphone is poised to redefine your smartphone experience. So, let's dive into the remarkable features of the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro is engineered for excellence, with dimensions of 163.1 by 74.2 by 9 mm and a weight of 210 grams. Its design showcases a glass front, Asahi glass, a robust plastic frame, and a glass back Gorilla Glass 5, all seamlessly integrated to create a masterpiece that's both stunning and durable. At the heart of its visual appeal lies a captivating 6.74-inch Amoled display with an extraordinary resolution of 1240 by 2772 pixels. With a 120 Hz refresh rate and support for HDR10+, this display delivers vibrant colors, exceptional clarity, and smooth animations, ensuring an immersive experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing. Under the hood, the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro operates on the Android 13 platform, enhanced by ColorOS 13.1. Its powerhouse is none other than the Qualcomm SM8550 AB Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, built on a 4nm architecture. This octa-core processor features a dynamic configuration of cores, with Cortex-X3, Cortex-A71, Cortex-A710, and Cortex-A510, delivering unparalleled performance and efficiency. Accompanying the chipset is the Adreno 740 GPU, ensuring smooth graphics rendering and an enhanced gaming experience. With memory configurations ranging from 256GB 12GB RAM to 1TB 24GB RAM, along with UFS 4.0 storage, the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro offers ample space and snappy multitasking capabilities. Equipped with a triple camera setup, the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro is ready to capture the world in stunning detail. The primary camera features a 50MP sensor with f/1.8 aperture, depth, and always for sharp and stable shots. Accompanying it is an 8MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for expansive landscapes, and a 2MP macro lens for capturing intricate details. On the front, the 16MP selfie camera with f/2.4 aperture ensures you look your best, whether you're snapping selfies or engaging in video calls. And with features like HDR and a variety of shooting modes, your creativity knows no bounds. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro offers a comprehensive range of connectivity options. With Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6/7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and a suite of satellite positioning systems, you're always connected and informed. Powering this technological marvel is a 5000 mAh non-removable LiPo battery. And when it's time to recharge, the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro supports 150 watts wide charging, ensuring that you're back in action in no time. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro is available in two sophisticated colors, Aurora Green and Titanium Grey. Its anticipated price of about €380 reflects the extraordinary value it offers. Please keep in mind that while we strive for accuracy, the information shared here is based on available details and may be subject to change. Get ready to embrace the future with the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro. With its remarkable design, immersive display, stellar performance, and innovative features, it's poised to redefine your smartphone experience. Make sure to stay tuned for the official release on August 23, 2023. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next unveiling of cutting-edge technology.